Determine your budget. As you should know by now, when it comes to making money on the internet, you don't need to have money to get started. You really don't. You can generate traffic for free. You can do affiliate marketing for free for the most part. You can sell your own products or services for free. Fee from the provider if it's digital, etc. So at the end of the day, it comes down to things like time. And if you have money already coming in from your current job, if you have a job, how much time can you invest and how frequently towards working on internet marketing in this job? Because yes, it is a job, not a hobby. The time goes towards coming up with ideas and brainstorming, investing effort and time into researching, and so on. Next, you can invest money towards having people set things up for you like a website, sales page, creating a product, squeeze page, and professional training on various topics. Highly recommended. You can also invest money towards buying traffic, but with that, you have to be very careful and know exactly what you're doing. I won't get into that right now, but it's definitely something you will want to thoroughly research should you decide to go the paid traffic route. With all of that in mind, you don't need any money to start off. The only real budget to invest is your time and efforts towards learning and setting up shop. Set goals and work towards them. It's important to set clear and realistic goals. More importantly, you should be setting both short-term and long-term goals as well. Writing down on paper or digitally your goals and detailing them can often be a task that will greatly help you set things into perspective and clear your head. This also plays into effect with writing the business plan, in that once you have the foundation for everything you're going to do, you can expand upon the foundation. Write as many ideas and details that come to your mind in order to make things more seamless when you actually sit down to do solid work. Regularly check up on your goals and your progress to ensure that things are moving along. This is when you can further detail and update your goals and your overall plan too. Something that helps is to set weekly goals and then monthly goals. You can set daily and bi-weekly goals as well, but start simple. Doing this will allow you to decrease the overall amount of stress involved with the whole learning and experimenting process of making money online. Furthermore, if you don't achieve some of your goals, don't panic. Take that time to review the goals and see how you could have improved. Use that experience to make your future goals more attainable and perhaps further your ability to successfully plan out your strategies.